Okay, you can probably hear me anyway. Don't know yet. Hold on. Just sorting this crap out, you know what I mean? Alright. I just realised I can't do what I want to do because I don't have the software for it. You hear my Leviticus? Hello, mate. Hello, Ben. Good to see you both. I'm just testing something on this. So bear with me, man. Bear with me. See if I'm using NVENC and whatever. .NET output, that's what I want. Yep, hardware NVENC, it could do. So, let me minimise that out of the way. Let me bring that out. Okay, pop out chat. Now, I'm going to have a slight issue here, I think. Why does it always do that crappage? Right, because underneath, you can see I'm running the game, right? Now, the problem is going to be is having chat up and seeing the playing the game at the same time because focus. Oh, and I've only got one screen. Well, it seems to be running alright. I'm on plasma today. As you can tell by all the crap down here. I don't know. Updated it the other day. What am I using even? About this system. 5.25, blah blah. Got it, yeah. 18.4 Horizon, yeah, and all this shit. Okay, cool. So how is everyone? Yeah, I assume there is because I know English Bob uses one as a plugin, but I don't know what it is. What's up, Ben? Not much. Tried making the Unity or XFCE Ubuntu's been upgraded to 2204 from the Mini 2004 and came out 4 gigabytes. Whoa, that's some bloat, my friend. I think the last ISO I bought it was like 2.4 from my Trinity, and I haven't even done because VirtualBox isn't fixed for the 18 kernels, yeah, .18 kernels. So what's the USB? No, I did do a test stream running straight from USB stick, right? And when I started this stream, it used the old title done, hello and welcome. I think I've changed it, not sure. Yeah, you know how YouTube is. I've also found that Brave is crashing the .18 kernels for some reason. Runs absolutely fine in 5.17 and I've been running fine for the last 15 minutes using Firefox. I don't know. Right, you added your Steam and a couple of apps, and I could send some wallpapers at it. Okay, what? I'm just thinking, how do I clean mine up usually? Okay, Ben. When you updated, did you keep the dev files in wherever it keeps its archives? I mean, in mine, I think it is in CD var, I think var at, no, var cache. Aha, at, yep, and archives. I'm going to see if I've got a load in here. Yep, you see, these are the updates I just done. Yeah, rm dot, oops, I just noticed that. Rm, oh, it's not going to let me because I'm not root. Let me just do that now. I can clear up some hard disk space. Rm, rf, start.rpm. Because I want to get rid of the partial folder. Oops. See, I can't type now. I'm streaming. Strange, isn't it? Use bleach bit to clean the Yeah, but if you use bleach split, if you use bleach bit, it's alright, I've got no. Right, that's it. I'm gonna have to, excuse me, you're gonna disappear a second just while I get rid of the trucking business. Bear with me. Do. Right, let me exit this. Because I'm only doing like a 42 hour, not 42 hours, only about 10 left I think. Alright, let's quit out of that and it can update itself. Checking, uploading, blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Come on, upload you bitch. And get rid of streaming. Up to date, okay, cool. Exit stream. Right, you can't type full stop. Okay, if you do use bleach split though, file tools in mine, bleach split root in my case because, you know, it does do add auto clean and clean, so that'll just get rid of the app files anyway, if you've already done your bleach split. This is just for singly. I mean, if I clean mine now, could have deleted all the singly, it's only for root. Boom, 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 boom. And recovered 384 megs and most of it's bloody logs. So all the good times. But yeah, clean that. Also clean .cache. Cause if I go ls.cache, oops. See, there's a lot of stuff in cache that you can actually clean out. That'll help as well because I've got Flatpak installed, that's for Steam and all that. So that's cool as well. Clean all that shit out. Oh, and temp as well. Clean temp out. All the good times. Yeah, it is done. Yeah, I know it is. Yeah, it's like, oh, well, there's basically a lot of the GUI that you see is a lot of stuff that is for the, CLI really. It's just does all the stuff for you. I mean, Gparted is a great thing of that, because when you shrink a partition it could show you the command it's using to do its stuff, man. It's rather quite brilliant. You have to watch this back. Oh, does that mean I have to keep the video up now? Yeah, there is, I do believe that's in, I do believe, oh, done it with a bloody idiot. There we go. Yeah, because SVLC, VLC Q2, VLC libs. Oh, yeah, Rockleys is back. I'm sure there was a VLC CLI. Oh yeah, command line, which will help it. What else was there? There was something else as well. Oh, there's just libs, minitube, OBS, funnel. Crap. Okay. Oh, VLC was it? Okay. Very cool. You want the plasma now instead of OpenBox? I do have OpenBox installed, but Leviticus, the thing is, I like testing, right? And it came to my attention that that 5.25 was out and it was in the repo and I installed it to have a play. Hence why this. Yeah, but I do indeed, at least I think I have. I do indeed have OpenBox installed as well. I can just swap over to it. So yeah, got my OpenBox. Although there was on the forum, somebody posted, okay, so what desktops do you use? So on PCLinuxOS it hasn't got the full complement, there's no budget deep in whatever, no. There's none of that, right? So it's a limited task, really. So you got basically Plasma, Mate, Warmate, whatever, XFCE. Right, those are the three main ones. That's the ones that you can download straight from. And then there's Daniel. He does the LXQT. Yeah, yeah, no problem, Don. See you in a minute. He does the LXQt, and that's it. There's another guy, Only Human. He does E17 Enlightenment, opening the whatever it's called now. I do the open box money, and Trinity beat Daddy, right? Open box money and beat Daddy, right? So they were the list basically. I mean, there was no like for the other whatever, they weren't listed. So anyway, KD obviously at the top because that's their main disco. And came Mate XFCE. And no one chose open box except me. And I'm thinking I might as well just knock this on the fucking head, man, for the open box. There was a couple that use Trinity, but I know there's other people outside of the forum that use Trinity as well. And there's two versions of that, one made by me, and then one made by Chris, Real Cat. He does the mini version. But yeah, so I might be knocking the open box version on the head, even though I enjoy it immensely. Not only that, I don't think it's been updated since, what, 2019 or something? So I've got to be really careful here, because oops, that's a chat. Welcome back, boy. Can I open up another tab? No, forget that. Open up. Yeah, that'll do. Open up new window. What was gonna fucking look? Oh yeah. Open box. Alright. Initially it was 2002, but oh sweet. Okay, and when was this done? Well, this page was modified 2013. Let's go down to the download page, see if there's anything. 361, 2015 apparently. So I don't think there's been anything happening, really. Since, yeah. Well, not much. So, I don't know what to do about that. Boom. It is, but then again, there's been a lot of security issues, not with OpenBox itself, don't get me wrong. No, OpenBox is unique. LXD used the OpenBox. Yeah, it was the other way around. OpenBox was first, LXD come after. And I think what LXDE did was use it as a window manager rather than yeah. So no, it wasn't part of LXDE. It just happened to use it as a window manager. But then again, it could have used it's like Plasma. Plasma can use other window managers, as can Trinity. In fact, I've used XFCE with OpenBox, which was quite a groovy thing to do. In my own, I can't believe this is still running. I am on the right kernel and everything, can I? Yeah, just checking. Yeah, LXD was built around. Kind of, yeah. It just kind of gave it its, you know, panels and stuff. But I decided to go a different route. Yeah. I'm going to have to go and get a drink, because I haven't had one for a couple of hours. And I have, what's PLD? PLD, man, talking. Plan Daisy? No, I don't know. What? What's PLD done? I would play the game in a window, except I can't get it window because I'm old. old man talking, fair enough. It was a typo. I'm surprised I got 3 bloody viewers, man, just viewing my screen. It's nothing exciting. 1 concurrent viewer according to the old single. Yeah. I don't know what to do to entertain you. If I load up this, which I'm going to actually. Edit mode. Boom. 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 What, LXD or OpenBox? OpenBox is unique in that, like, there's certain factors to it. I mean, let me open up my old Synaptic here, and we'll do, actually, we'll go sections and OpenBox. Right, you need these. OBConf, OB menu, OpenBox menu. Now the thing is, this is the pipe menu for it. See, I know how it's installed. You have little dates and all the themes and stuff, and PYT goes down. But the issue is then you have to go into the folder, which is folder's empty. Yeah, present. Boom. Let's go up. Why am I in here? Right, let's go up. No wait, it uses shared, isn't it? Can I close this view? Yep. Boom. Okay. What am I thinking of now? I won't use it tonight. Shared. Click. And then down to OpenBox menu, I think it is. Man, how can I have so much shit, man? No, that wasn't it. That wasn't it either. Where's the bloody OpenBox gone? Up menu. Oh, right, yeah. OpenBox menu, and we got these here. The scripts, the menus and all that, and it tells you in the readme you may use menu X or OpenBox menu, blah blah, and all that business, you see. Yeah, so either that or you're stricken with a very plain OpenBox. Debian still makes. LXD's been DE's been dead for a while though, to be fair. I mean, yeah, in fact I don't even know if LXDE is still in. It's still even in the repo. Oh it is. LX appearances, I know that. But is there any LX panel, LX sessions, OpenBox menu, oh yeah, text LXD is still there. So you can if you wish. Let's see what it drags in. I'm not going to do it though, because I ain't fucking mad. But there you go. To install. Right, task LXD. Task LXD. Alright, what is it going to bring down? I press change background, fortune mod, Alex Auto Start, common, blah 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 blah. A pre-fortune mod, really? Alex Auto Start, blah blah, Alex panel, blah 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 blah. Do you wish to continue? Do I look stupid? So yeah. Sounds good, man. Yeah, 'cause I know that they killed off LXD for a while, didn't they? I can't really show you anything what I'm doing with like VirtualBox, because although this happens up before I try, yes, I've got StormOS in there, but it could just die because look, boom, 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 because the modules aren't made. We're waiting for the next version of VirtualBox. Hmm. You know what? I haven't even looked on GitHub. In fact, it's very rarely I do those things. Yeah. That's the thoughts. It's still running away. Oh yeah, been updated. One. Oh no, it's still running. Yay! No! I'm glad to see that's still going. And it just works. Well, this is what I use usually. It's because it just works. Although I do have Ben's StormOS, and not just in the VM, but real life thingy. But I do have to come back to PCLinuxOS every now and then because it's my home, you know what I mean? A GTK 3 version. Yeah, I think there's some GTK 3 here as well. Yeah, LXDE would be GTK 3, wouldn't it? LXDE would be GTK 3. I doubt if it's ever been all ported to 4. To be fair. Well, that's it. I'm behind the times, so I've got to tell you. Hang on, I'm just going to have to move this out the way just for a minute. Howdy, Xenix. Easynix. Bear with me, back in a sec. I won't bother on beating. Can't be fucking arsed. Well, I've got to get along, friends. I don't think you could hear me anyway, so. Back from crossing you all out. Am I streaming from the bathroom? No, not quite, but I do have. Oh, the standard is still GTK2. Leviticus, I did not know that. Okay, Leviticus, you take care on the roadway. Okay. No, I'm not in the bathroom. I'm on this laptop. It's a Levino something or other. Legion. And the inbuilt mics might not be the best. I haven't plugged in my external mic. Because I wasn't really planning this. Hello, Dom. To be fair, he hasn't streamed in a while. You damn straight there, Dom. I hope you're fine, mate. I hope you're really well. Have you included NVIDIA drivers in your distro yet so I can use your distro? Audio sounds okay. Okay. Good. Yeah. Anyway, Mr. Ferron, back in a moment. I'm just making a cuppa. Amuse yourselves. Actually, I am going to mute because I've just got this bit. I will be back in a couple of secs. Okay, I'm back. Did I lose everybody? Probably. Okay, private entire sentence told. I'm just wondering if it's in here. Audio capture, image slideshow, media source. Is there text? Blah blah blah. Window capture. It's composite. Well, how fucking good is it? Yes, phone. Good morning. Fuck knows it. Okay. Must be a plugin I don't have anyway. To get text on the window without it being this shit. Oh, whoops. 3.3. Go Calamaris 3.3. I've been busy with other things. So it's a new installer, Calamaris 3.3. Have they made things easier in Calamaris to use as an installer? Just asking. That's all right, don't matter. Can't remember. Anyway, it's just a surprise stream this is. Nothing happening, believe it or not. Well, I was going to do something and then realised I really can't. Because if I do put trucking in a window, it's just like, you know, well, I can do this. Bear with me. I'll get on it. No, there used to be a window. Oh, what the actual fuck, man? That's fucked it all there up then. I'll be there if I could just be windowed. I know it did. Played it in the window. And I've not got no damn games, man. If I tried to put trucking in the window, it could go windowed, but it's like full screen windowed and I can't do anything about it. You won't go down to my size, man. So what else have you been messing with then? What have people been messing with? I went quiet then because I didn't know what else to say. It's nice to see you all here though. It's quite nice. I should be using a proper mic and stuff like that. The problem I have is I load it in by Flatpak and it kind of limits you to what you can do. Like windowed mode and so on. Don't work. Yeah, a lot of stuff don't work actually. Things like Proton. Good luck getting Proton working when it's in a bloody container. I took that to make you see more projects. What projects you working on there, Mr. Easy Nicks? Yeah, no, updating is always a pain, man. I have to update quite a lot. I know the feeling. Every bloody day, mate. I tell you, every day. I get probably a Sunday off and probably another day off, all depending. Seriously. Yeah. You know, from updating crap. And it don't know when, well in my case, when everybody put RPMs on the back burner, which is nice. Oh yes, you're easier. You know what? I should try that. Once I have my V-Box running again, I'll be more than happy to try your Easy Archer business. On the Chromebox with the Linux and Android software on it, idiot proof suits you fine. Whatever works for you, Don, to be fair. Honestly, dude. Absolutely whatever works. I do have a daughter. It's been a lovely day here, down in the old south coast, on the island, I've got to admit. Been bloody roasting. And if you can hear yabs in the background, that's alright. So, what's it? Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I was thinking of trying Chrome OS Flex, on the other machine, not the one I'm on now, just to see. But then I thought, someone said the installer wipes the hard drive, and I'm going, nope, that is not happening. Nearly took it. Why, hey lad? Yeah, I forgot you're a Geordie lad. Yeah. Why, hey lad? Yeah. Had to put on your small coat, you know what I mean, when you went out today. Is that right? Went out in your shell suit for a change. Why, hey lad? Almost wearing shorts. Yeah. We know you only put your big coats on when it's like -15 up there. Yeah, basically. I'll bring the web page up for you because why not? There we go, Chrome OS Flex, boom. And we'll go to the get page, I suppose. Right, see if we can get you both on here, like. Boom, there we go. Try Chrome OS Flex. Hang on, let me click this, which means you're going to disappear. Okay, try the cloud first, fast, easy to manage secure Chrome OS for PCs and Macs. Chrome OS Flex is a sustainable way of modernising devices you already own. It's easy to buy across your fleet. Simply try away as to offer. Try an early version. Yeah, anyway. This is the bump. Creatable disk when you're ready to install. To replace your operating system. I read that, I went, nope. And then you can so yeah, it's Chrome OS for Chrome. Yes, that's what it is. But yes, for x86 PCs, man, and Macintosh CPUs. For those bored with Linux, Windows, and it's nice to have another operating system to choose from. I mean, I just thought he did forget that, didn't he, on this video? There's a guy, something computers, or computing, and he forgot that Haiku X6 exists, because he only mentioned Windows, Linux, FreeBSD, one of the BSDs, and yeah, Flex, he'd forgotten that there was another operating system. I quite like Haiku actually, BEOS. 32-bit's fully BEOS 5 compatible. 64-bit not so, because 64-bit. Oh, the good times. This isn't like one of my usual streams of excitement and everybody turning off and me having a giggle and playing about with OSs. I'm on the wrong kernel. And yes, this machine still has Windows involved, just in case it packs up and it has to go back to Lenovo. I decided just to keep the Windows on there. I tried playing games, it's crap, honestly. I don't know why people say, use Windows for games. Yeah, about that. basically as well. So, what else is happening in the world that anybody's interested in, that want me to look up or whatever? I don't mind. Yeah, still under warranty, lad. It certainly is. It's not that old. Yeah, I only got it, what, a couple of months ago. I can give you the specs to it if you wish. Don't mind. Show you what I'm rocking these days instead of my old Dell. I didn't want to do that, did I? There we go. That's roughly what I'm rocking. Pretty much says what it is. It's a Legion 5 7A88. It's I just say their CPU 5600H with built-in graphics, a 4.28 and a 3060 and 8 gigs of RAM, blah blah. So yeah, I got it not long ago, a couple of months ago. So all the good times. And it runs quite well. It's a lot faster than my old Dell in a lot of ways, but strangely on boot up, don't ask why, my Dell will boot this booting into a desktop. Do not know why. Booting into the same desktop, into Plasma. But after that, the Dell. Yeah, mine's a 2015. It's a excuse me, it's a Latitude E7440 from about 2015. Still rocks, man. It's still running. I'm gonna keep it updated. It's running the latest kernel. It's running the latest open box. Well, sadly open box, but everything associated, and it's also running Plasma 5.25, the same as this machine is here. Yeah, they're like for like, but in graphical terms, like, it's a bit of a dinosaur, you know what I mean? Intel Haswell graphics, Haswell, that's the chip. It's an i5 Haswell, and this is an AMD Ryzen, and of course this is just going to spank it in every single way, even with the, what I think is a mega 8 gig of RAM, which I need another 4 gig, another 8 gig stick. It's not two 4 gig sticks in here, and it's some kind of dual channel. No. It's single stick and like it. But it's also space for another NVMe M.2 slot in there as well. So it's got one M.2 and it's just space for another one, which is quite cool. I'll just do a space in here for a SATA hard drive. Do a space in this little lappy for a SATA hard drive. This Lenovo, I'll be really happy because I'd take the Samsung data drive out of the hello Peter. I nearly swore then. Yes, I'm still awake. What time is it? It's only 10 past 11. I am going to go roughly about 1:30. I'm going to drink my tea, finish my cigarette and talk to you lovely people. This is just I was going to stream a game, and I realised if I was streaming a game, I can't read the damn chat because I'm a screenshot. Do you know what I mean? Yes, I got dimming on, whichever one's working, whichever one's in focus. 9 PM. Well, it's only I don't know. What time is it where you are? 5ish. Nearly 6. Nearly 6 PM is it there, Pete? $6.11. I went far off, was I? 5 hours. Yeah, 6 to 11. Sounds right. Hope you and your beloved are doing well, Chuck. I know you've been eating out there all up late. My life, have you? Good man. That's in your clothes and everything. Can't believe it. What are you doing? Yeah. I've got someone coming over to the island on Friday. He's going to stay with me a while. Don't know how long. So that should be fun. It's 3:11 PM here in Arizona. Yeah, but that's the west coast, isn't it? That's yeah, Pacific Standard is it? 3:11. That sounds about right. Well, if you're a true Scotsman, Peter, right, you owe nothing. And when a woman put her hand on that, she said, "Oh, it's gruesome," and you said, "Put it under again. It's gruesome more." Am I not wrong? Your socks. Fair enough. And wore your socks, excellent. So, YouTube must be getting it out that I'm actually live streaming, which is unusual because it normally tells me that. Yeah, 0 views. Oh, and when I stream on Discord, yeah, no, nobody notices I stream on Discord, you know. No fucker, not one person. Just saying. All the good times. Because at least on Discord you can talk back to me in voice. Kinda helps, I guess. Why didn't I think of that before though? Why didn't I? So Discord, so people got to join me on Discord and spoken back to me on this. Yeah. I am not all brandy today, am I? Okay, warrior sucks. Well, it's good to see you, Peter, I must admit, it really is. I was going to stream last Sunday when Steve said he wasn't going to stream. He's on vacation, I think he's on holiday. Yeah, I don't know what makes you think that. I actually got this up to show what I'm running. I think it was easy. Nick asked me whether it was still on the bottom 10. It is, yeah. But yeah, I do. Easy Nick, have a very pleasant evening, mate. Enjoy your sleep, I assume. And you? I know you're in Arizona. Have a pleasant afternoon and evening. I forget who lives where, to be honest. But be well. Thank you for joining me, and yeah, the next stream will be more exciting because I'm going to read up on stuff. I need to read up on stuff and get back into the streaming game. Kind of. If I can be asked. I might. Yeah, you take care, Easy Nicks. But I'm just here for the earthing guy. Oh, is there anything else? Oops, didn't mean to do that. That's it. Run pause, open new window, boom. Let's try and minimize that a bit. That's better. These are my usual haunts, as you can see. CV eventually. So what do I want to look for? YouTube chat OBS, there we go. Well, if I do that, I'll put a link in the top, but I don't want to watch it yet, so oh, it hasn't come up. Okay. I'll have a look at that. I know it's got to be a plugin. Add browser. Now there's a problem. Add browser. Okay, I'll have a chat with that in a minute. So, yeah, but if I do that, scene, okay, scene. What if I had that? See, that's only scene 2, so that's no good. So that, and the browser. Where the fuck is browser? I'm swearing again now, you see. I can insert image, source, blah 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 blah. Oh well. I'll find out. Well, you open Peter, that's alright. Hello, Pancake Sparkle. The flat pack version. Hang on then. Hang on. Yeah, does it still pick up NVENC and all that? Let's try. Okay, Obsidian. That's everything beginning with OBS, isn't it? OBS projects, go to sound, plugin waveform. What did I did? I can have a look in the flat hub another time. Oops. Okay, hold on a minute. This is gonna. Oh no, it isn't. Yeah, will do. Will do. 6 new packages and 90 updates. Holy crap, Peter. 90 updates. Yeah. Are you on the testing branch with Trinity or are you on the just a regular, like whatever PCLinuxOS gives you? Oh, yes, lots of K stuff. Because yeah, Trinity won't get updated for another 6 months. Yeah, but I can't really restart Firefox, you chap, can I? I'm streaming on it. XF series, okay. Oh, I hate doing things like live, you know that, Dom. Alright. So, what exactly do I need to download here, boy? Everything. Let's have a look. Okay. Alright, and I've read all I need. Code. Download zip. Open with X archiver. Yeah, I don't know why it gives me that bloody path. Oh, I do know why it gives me that path. It's because I'm a fucking idiot. Downloads, make sure it's got its own container, extract done. Okay. Hang on, Dom, I'm coming back to you. Boom. So look. Alright, come to. Thank you, Pancake Sparkle. Thank you. I can install that directly then. 34 degrees C. Actually, I don't know. Hang on. Alexa, volume 6. Temperature. Alexa, temperature.
At the moment, it's 18 degrees Celsius. Tonight, you can expect a low of 10 degrees.
There we go. At the moment, it's 18 with a low of 10. Thank you.
I don't know that one.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Yeah, there you go. So, yeah. 18 at the minute. CD downloads. See, you pop me off. Okay, restart Firefox to take effect. But the problem is, you're installing. That have a million updates on it, wasn't it, from 3 days ago? I'm just joking. But that's very cool, Ben. Yeah, you see, the problem is, Mr. Dominic, I'm using Firefox for the chat and streaming, you know. So, when I kill the stream, so if I open up a brand new window of Firefox, would that do it? Because it could be reading configuration and stop it. Right, Firefox, boom. Well, obviously not Ali because it's still in Firefox and you need to kill it. Yep, okay. But the problem is, I'm running like live stream and all that. I tell you what, back in the mode, because it won't kill, will it? Alright, it's alright. It's all good then. Okay then. Actually, I don't even know if I've got Xkill bloody installed. I haven't got Hold on a minute, dude. Quite right though, I do what you're saying. Right then. Back in a minute. Boom. Boom. Yeah, just remember the thingy. Okay, I'm back on there. Now let's open up a new window. Boom. Just okay. Hang on. Could do it again. Do 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 do. Way. Alright. Let me see. Alright. Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm listening to me. Alright. Okay. So that went well. Me, I ain't done nothing, matey. It's just what I'm doing. Okay, yeah. I had heard a container actually been. Yeah, there it is. Will this make me go live again? Or will it actually remember that I'm still live? Cool, it still remembers I am live. Well, there you go, Alan. Yeah, it does that. It does that. But, oops. Yeah, not a lot changed for me on this CSS. I understand where you were going with it, but it didn't do the same. Well, that's visual issues. Don't matter. I mean, I do believe I can get rid of... Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's just a script blocking and all that business club. Dunno. I'm not going to worry about it right now, to be honest. No, what I saw on your GitHub page looked good, to be honest, Dom. Honestly, it really did. And, you're a very talented guy. No doubt about that. Chat rate 2. Yay. Average viewer 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Thank you for lasting that long with me, I tell ya. Saw some how Firefox looks on other platforms. You mean Windows and so on. Yeah, all the good times, man. All the good times. Right, I still haven't even drank my cup of tea yet, you know. It's interesting seeing the delay between like the chat windows and so on. Okay, okay, let's try this then. New tab, bookmarks, history, page settings, mortal. Okay, where's the fucking themes? Personal themes. Okay, theme auto, so. Yeah. It's dark. Where's bloody light, man? Oh, you pan in the arse. Right, okay. Fair enough. Right, let's go to light theme there. Boom. Apply. Boom. And that's done the old dark theme on the old Firefox, it looks. It seems. Oh, I'm just saying, lad. I'm just saying. Unless. Hang on, quick. Well, that's another way to dark. What happens if I just change it to light? Just bear with me. Fuck all. That's what. Okay. Okay. That didn't work either then. So. Oh, I forgot to turn my bloody thingy dark again. Chaps. Fucking chaps. Boom. 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 Back to normal. That is fantastic. October. That is very cool, Peter. I wish I could afford to go to Scotland, to be honest, from here. Because it's far. It's like a 12-hour drive. It's far. Ain't that far, not really. But that'd be cool. Oh, welcome back to Veticus. I'm glad your journey was safe. Luke Smith as well. Nice. Slight problem with that, Mr. Luke. Although, once I fix my... sorry. Once I fix my virtual box... Hobo on a train. Once I fix my virtual box, I can actually install PCLinuxOS. Your OS does not boot on this Lenovo. It just doesn't. Just black screens. Yeah, that's probably what it is. It's probably the 5.25 thing. Which thing? Was I talking about? Oh, yeah, VirtualBox don't want to work until Yeah, do you know what I mean? Don't want to work on the kernel until it gets updated. Go on in. Made, not made. Cool. What, Eva's going up as well? The Dragon Lord Eva's going up as well. Oh, that'd be cool. Oh, you're going for your supper? I thought you meant Eva was going up to Scotland, which is it? Sorry, my bad. Enjoy your meal, Peter, and I'll see you later. I'll be going very soon anyway, seriously, I will be. A fucking left gap. Oh, you mean this gap here? Yeah. Yeah, I know the one. And do the same with Edge colours. Yeah, add waiter if you want Firefox here to live up waiter colours for some reason. But why would you? Well, anyway, people, I'm going to go. It's 23 and change. 38. And I've got bloody errors coming up now saying that my stream's short. That's fine. And I'll see you soon. But thanks for coming. It has been great to see you all. And I'm going to investigate in a few things. And oh yeah, that before I go, I've got to scroll back on the old. In fact, I can scroll back on the other chat, can't I? Now, where was that fucking thing? No, that's true. That's true. It never did. Where the fuck did he do that? That's his next was after that. I know pancake you put in the. Oh, there we go. There we go. There it is. Oh, there we go. So I'm guessing that's the one, isn't it? She dragged the rest in, so let's do that then. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. So I don't do much flat pack stuff, you know what I mean, to be honest, so just let it carry on. I'm running off my phone, by the way, my phone internet, as you can see here, Android, see, boom. So I'm not even running off my own proper internet. Oh, there's a patch for NVIDIA drivers, okay, that's cool. Because I'm using Invent like and whatever. I'm hoping my picture's okay actually. And neighbours are playing some tunes. But apparently it's running quite well. OBS will tell me even better. Yeah, 2.6k up. I do. Dropped a few frames though in my thingy, didn't I? But all the good times. Kayla's NVIDIA patch, yeah, I'll have a look at that. MVC instead of XM. Actually, what was I using? Oops. Let's close that, don't do that. Got so many windows open there. Because I know I can use Jill as well, isn't it? Because at the moment, yeah, you're quite right, I'm using XHSM. You're quite right, I am. Because it worked. I could always just use X Composite as well. There used to be a GL version, but I don't know what happened to it. Don't know. Cracking myself up sometimes, I tell you. Right. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's very cool. I bookmarked it. I bookmarked that search so I can read down it. Very sweet, man. Yeah, workstation, yeah. And obviously I'm not using no workstation card as such, am I? All the good times, man. I will have a look at that. There's a few things I want to have a look at. How is my PC's in slow mode at the moment. I mean on purpose. The patches, okay. That sounds good. I suppose I'll have to reapply the patch each time we update the NVIDIA drivers because they get updated well when they get updated. I think I'm on my fourth one since whatever. Yeah, I thought so. Because all that's automatic. Same way on the system updates, the NVIDIA driver. It comes with the distro anyway, and I put it in the distro anyway, so there's a DKMS file, so when there's an update, it automatically compiles. And for those like that are using other stuff like it's not a problem. Older cards, older NVIDIA cards get LLVM as a driver, or even yeah, Nova. Yeah, use. It's exactly what I do. I use DKMS, NVIDIA current, which is fine. Got to be done, man, with a 3060, you know what I mean? As I was saying, that's going to be old hat soon, isn't it? I mean, I like it's not as fast as 3090 Ti's or whatever. But I see what it plays for a laptop, this plays games really quite well. Arco Linux. I have installed that at one time. That ran really quite well. There's only like 4 or 5 distros I can actually boot on this machine. There's PCLinuxOS, which I know anyway, because it's got built-in NVIDIA drivers, PopOS, OCOD, StormOS now that Ben fixed his put in the thingy, and I installed that. And there's another one, Guarda, that's it. Ubuntu, nope. Arch, nope. Mint, nope. Anything that doesn't have NVIDIA built in on the live medium, it's not going to boot for me. I am not going to get a display. In fact, it just freezes and my system constantly reboots. Which is why I ask when. I don't know why distros just don't put the NVIDIA driver on the fucking on the ISO. It's annoying. There's no legal requirement to have it off the ISO, and there's no technical problem to have it off the ISO. Just saying. Not if you're clever anyway. I mean, even if it's just on the ISO as a driver ready to run, you don't need to have it boot as long as my computer bloody sees the NVIDIA's here. It could boot. Well, PCLinuxOS started in 2004. In fact, it's 2 months older than the first Ubuntu. Right? And that has always had NVIDIA drivers. Always. In fact, it had the NVIDIA and AMD proprietary drivers back in the day. And you could choose the ISO you wanted, whether it be AMD or NVIDIA. But when you booted the live medium, you had the NVIDIA splash screen come up, and it was really cool. Other ones that had it as well. What was that? Gen 2 respin? Massive ISO. Basically a binary Gen 2. That also have NVIDIA. There's no legal requirement for you to keep it off. Probably a technical one. Probably your hardware sources list needs to have an edit to include it to say, well, if you're running this, Sabayon. Thank you, Mr. Pancake Sparkle. Sabayon. Yeah, that used to have NVIDIA built in. Sabayon used to feel heavy to me. Didn't they change the Slackware now? Yes, Slackware's another one that I can't boot. Won't have it. Anyway. Oh, did I move my phone or something because the internet stopped a bit in it? Still never had a drink over the road, man. That's why there's a lot of singing. Yeah, Sabian's still going, but didn't they change from Gen 2 to Slackware based? There's a distro I missed. Not Slackware, distro based, oh, what the hell was that called? Vector Linux. That was fast. Change is complete. It's still Gen 2, okay, cool. Cause it was kind of like the easy way of getting into Gen 2 without having to do all the stage, troubles, stages and all that business. I did do a stage 1 install at Gen 2 a long time ago. Oh, mind you, I've done Linux from scratch a long time ago. Don't mean to say I'm doing it anymore. Very cool. Right, do I have 2 OBS's now in one? That's interesting. Icons missing. Probably the icon set I'm using. Yeah. Okay, cool. No worries. Anyway, peeps, I am definitely going there. So thank you for joining me. All appreciated, and I will have a go at this and see if I can get this to come OBS Project Studio. Thank you very much for that pancake sparkle. Much appreciated. I will have a play with that and see what I get out of it. Yes. And I'll see you all soon. Thank you for joining me. And be well, be safe, and be kind to each other. Cheerio for now.